Welcome to Whispers. For starters, I want to say a big thank you to our listeners from all over the world. We're almost 1.1 million now listeners visiting the website. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support since the creation of Italia Biamo and Blogcast. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. I can't believe it. Almost 1.1 million listeners. Thank you so much. This is indeed a great milestone. Thank you so much. Continue listening, and I'll keep all the different series and headlines coming. Even though I have to go to work, I'll still find time because I'm very, very busy. But anytime I'm on holidays, I try as much as possible to comment on trading news headlines, and for the parental series, I have a lot of work done. It's just finding the time. So I think my next holiday, I'm gonna have something on parental skills and hopelessness for parents, especially parents with grown-up children. Excuse me, as children are moving from teenage years to youth, young adults, and to grown-ups, having grown-ups in the house. How can we, as parents, foster good rapport at the same time maintaining boundaries with our young people and young adults, which I think is important. It's important. So thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Much love from Italy. So back to business. So today it's a long one. It is indeed a long one. Because for quite a while now I've been observing excuse me, Hebrew former President Olusegun Obasanjo, and he's been throwing tantrums. But this time around, in the process of doing that, is beating more than he can chew. He's actually shot himself. He's got hot water from people, and it's like he's saying, my teeth is better than your teeth. You know, that kind of a way. It's like the pot calling the kettle black. Is doing comparison. Is shalaye. Baba is suffering from shalaye. Like, he's explaining. Excuse me, now, as the saying goes, he go explain tire. And in the process of I don't know whether he's explaining, or he's doing whistle blowing, I don't know. It's just shooting himself front, back, everywhere. Pa Obasanjo kílẹ̀ ń bá ká. Ìgbà wo lẹ wá di àròyé níṣẹ́ ẹ̀bà káfẹ́kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́tà la mọ̀ yín sí. You can write for the word. You are the word's letter writer. You are always writing letter, but this time around, and Kenny, you are just crying up and down, up and you see. Is everything okay? Yeah, we're all right, Isha. She will see. Today it got so bad. Like it started with things like I left Nigeria better than I met it. Like, is it a competition? Are you saying your thief is better than the current set of thieves that we have? And it's like, ó dàbí ẹni pé ẹ ti joyè whistleblower, because gbogbo eléyìí tẹ́ ń blow up and down yìí. I mean, you were saying things like, if adequate attention is not paid to the needs of the youths in Africa, it will be very, very ugly for all of us. So, nígbà tẹ́yin wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀, ṣẹ́yin pay attention, kí láriwo, kí láriwo, kí lẹ̀ ń bá ká, nígbà tí Tinubu announce pé subsidy ti lọ, ẹ̀yin lẹ bá announce subsidy is back. Ẹ ṣọ́gbà yìí náà, ẹ ṣọ́gbà yìí náà, ṣé ẹ fẹ́ bá ṣèjọba ẹ ní? Ẹ̀yin yìí kan náà lẹ sọ, many in government should currently be behind bars. Ẹ mọ orú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. The bane of Nigeria today is self-centered, decisive leadership. Kí lẹ̀ ń bá ká? Ó pọ̀ gan láwọn headlines. Láwọn headlines yìí tẹ́ ṣáà ń sọ̀rọ̀, you know? Tẹ́ ń sọ. But we're gonna find out. People are just like, they're having none of it. The kind of like, really? You know that kind of, ó dàbí ní pé ẹ ti tẹ́. N tá ṣe níyè là ṣe é tẹ́. Ẹ fi Tinubu lẹ́jọ́ ṣèjọba ẹ̀ bó ṣe fẹ́. Kí ni tiyín tẹ́ wá joyè akékú? Tẹ́ wá di town crier, tẹ́ ń cry up and down. Kí ló dé? Ṣebí lẹ́tà lẹ máa ń kọ. Everybody ti wà use mọ̀ pé kẹ́ máa kọ lẹ́tà. Eléyìí tẹ́ ń cry up and down.